Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to D-Day. Today is the MOT for Luke's Mini. Now I'm not sure if it's going to pass or not. I've had a look at it over the weekend and there's a few little electrical gremlins popped up. One of which, when you put the lights on, the full beams come on. So if you go into side light, the full beams come on, main beams come on. You go to the second switch, main beams, full beams stay on. If you pull the trigger to flash the full beams, everything goes off. So yeah, I've kind of got to the point where I actually can't get any parts. It's a bit late for ordering stuff. So yeah, we're pretty much ready to go. The arch is on and it's all looking very, very good. Just put some fuel in it from the jerry can and super happy with how it's all turned out. There's a couple of jobs I still need to do when it comes back, but for now we're in and ready to rock and roll. So fingers crossed. Let's go to the test centre. So this is going to be the maiden voyage on the road. I've literally driven from here to the end of this lane and back, and that's like 200 yards. Maybe not even that. I found that the brakes and the clutch were a little bit slack, so I've adjusted them up. So today is the first time I've actually given it a run ever. So I'm quite looking forward to driving it because I'm told it is a really, really good little Mini. Obviously put a lot of work and effort into doing all the suspension and brakes and everything, and I'm hoping I see the benefit of that. So let's get down to the MOT station. I've got all the important stuff. Sunglasses, because it's the 1st of March today and it's beautiful weather. So for those Welsh watchers, happy St David's Day, or Dewi San. And I've got sunglasses, wallet, keys, face mask, GoPro, car, locking walnut. Let's do this. Right, sunglasses on. I've been so excited for this moment for a long, long time. This Mini is brilliant. Oh wow. car's there for the MOT at G&G Gallagher's, and well, just leave it now and see what happens. They're going to sanitize it, and yeah, good luck. Okay, so unfortunately we failed, and they failed on lights and the brake imbalance across the car. Take this off now. So I'm pretty impressed with the rest of the car. Just need a quick tweak of the adjustment of the brakes again. I might even bleed them all again just to make sure that everything is as it should be. There shouldn't be any issues with any of the piping, but as I say, hopefully it's just a quick adjustment and we'll go from there. But overall, pretty impressed. It's time to get home and have a quick look at these lights. I'm thinking it's going to be a relay. I was thinking it could be switches, it could be your toggle switches or your stalk, but they've said in here that it's probably going to be a relay because it's gone over the brake tester and bumped down. It's flashed on, so it's obviously like a loose connection somewhere. So hopefully there's two relays up on the top which are connected to the front lights. Hopefully it's something to do with them. So let's get home and take a look. So I've just lifted the back of the car up. I have de-adjusted the handbrake inside the car. That is off, and I'm hoping to have a bit of resistance here, but it's kind of they're not really adjusted up enough. So what's probably happened is, as the brakes have been pushed on, they've gone out and they've actually come back further. So when you put the brakes on, typically for a car, you'd adjust it up, then you hit it with a bit of a hammer, do a bit of a tap, and it will come free. You hit it again, obviously once you've adjusted it, and then you can kind of work through that. Then once it goes tight, then you hit it and it doesn't do any loosened. That's when you can sort of back it off and you know it's going to be spot on. So yeah, wheel off, adjust it up, wheel back on, adjust the handbrake, and our brake should be absolutely spot on. Okay, so here we go into Luke's car. So yesterday I had an issue with the MOT with the lights not working. Now I have done a little spot of investigation, and let's put this bonnet up or not. And so when I wired the lights in, I had the plug here, plug there, and it went into a blue and white wire, which are here. And I've traced these blue and white wires to this relay. Now the relay itself, I've just had a wiggle, and when I wiggled it, the side lights came on, the main lights came on, the four beams came on, all in the correct sequence. So I've ordered a replacement relay, but for now the lights are working. So I mean that's good news. But yeah, when the relay comes, I'll replace that. So that I'm happy with all those. Okay, that's the rear brakes adjusted and the brake fluid rebled. There was a little bit of air in that passenger or the driver's rear wheel cylinder. This has all come out now, so fingers crossed that's going to be sufficient to pass the MOT. So I'm going to give them a call and see when I can take it down. Right, good morning. We're at the test centre. This is take 2. So the car's back. It's a little bit wet on the road today, and them tyres are not great in the wet, I won't lie. But yeah, fingers crossed we go through. It's been a long time coming, but we've done it. There's the pass, yes! So, the lights went through, just slight adjustment on the headlights, and the brakes went through fine as well. So yeah, time to get home, give Luke a call, and get it taxed and take it for an actual drive properly, where I'm not worrying about, you know, being stopped or anything like that. So exciting times. I'm absolutely buzzing, so happy. I put a lot of work into this car, and for it to finally be done, really, really pleased. So let's get home and celebrate. Suppose we better put the last piece to the puzzle, eh? And that's what's in this package. Now, can you guess what it is? Well, the moment has come. Wow. Right, so in this package we have a freshly trimmed steering wheel. Now, it's a little bit bigger than what's there originally, only just slightly, and it's got black leather and red stitching around it, and it looks absolutely phenomenal. I think it's an Australia, that's how you pronounce it, steering wheel. And yeah, super cool. So that's going to get fitted on there. The hub nut will get put back on, and then centre cap go back on. So let's take this old wheel off. So let's make sure the wheels are straight first, really. Right, out with the old. That ain't gonna work. Okay, so with this cap on, it's gonna foul and the steering wheel doesn't fit. Then take this plastic cap off, fit it down. It'll be a bit more away from the driver actually, much nicer fit. So there's 2 screws in here, they'll come off. Let's get it done. Okay, so that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I really hope you're enjoying the content so far. If you are new around here and haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber by clicking here. And if you want to watch the next video, click up here. Leave the comments down below, and don't forget to click on the like button also. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.